Nearly every time I talk with a manufacturer about the problems they're facing, finding and retaining employees comes up. Even when manufacturers can find workers, they often have less experience than they'd like, making training even more difficult and essential. A crucial part of this puzzle is the effective use of standard operating procedures. But if you walk on most plant floors, SOPs lack clarity, or worse, are in dust-covered 3-ring binders that haven't left the lead operator's office in a decade. Or maybe they're on the shop floor, but workers can't understand them because they're not in that worker's native language. In the best scenarios, poor instructions lead to a slower process and increased scrap. In the worst cases, they can compromise worker safety, resulting in injuries for workers and liability for companies. With so much on the line, it's time to rethink SOPs. The first step to improving SOPs is digitizing them. With FactoryEye's cloud-based MES capabilities, we can roll out new digital SOPs across all your tablets and workstations simultaneously. It gets better. If you tap into other FactoryEye features and start collecting real-time data, you can use AI-driven analytics to find new process efficiencies. And once you discover them, you can make updates to your SOPs from anywhere in the world and have them instantly updated at any of your locations in whatever language you need. This gets to the heart of data-driven manufacturing. You're digitizing processes, then collecting and analyzing data to improve your processes, making them safer and more profitable. And once you start, you can always keep going further, refining processes with data-driven insights for continuous improvement. Look, we won't claim that we're the only ones that can do that, but we'll state unequivocally that we can do it faster, cleaner, and more effectively than any other provider in the industry. If you're ready to take your SOPs from dust to digitized, you should call me.
If you're ready to turn your data into actionable data, you better call Tom.